All right, so this is how you sync AliExpress with Shopify, because I know I had a lot of questions about that. You're going to want to go to sales channel. At that point, you'll type in DSER, and you can't just sync AliExpress with Shopify. It's an actual another app. It goes by DSER. You see right here, DSER AliExpress Dropshipping. They do have a free plan. I believe you can sync like up to 500 products for free. But this is how you sync AliExpress with Shopify, you guys. All right, let's see. And then you got to be sure that the Chrome browser also is added so you can sync items. I'll show y'all a little bit more about that towards the end. So I did sell a website. I need to get my client's email to sign her up for. All right, so I didn't create an account for my client to sync the vendor for her. These are the plans. I always click the free one, get started. Comes with like a lot of options, so you don't need to, pay anything. So after this, you'll want to link AliExpress. So I am already linked with AliExpress. This is DSER dashboard. To sync products, I will go to import products. And then first, be sure you are logged into AliExpress, like I said. You'll then go to your wish list. Then everything you want to sync to DSER will be right here. And I do have freebies on my website, you guys. I just made some boutique social media templates. So if you want to download these for free, click the link in the description. Be sure to add your email to our email list at the very bottom of the website. Enter code FREE in all caps, FREE, to get this for free. Okay, at this point, y'all, I'm going to just speed it up and we are just gonna keep pasting. This is how, so you don't even need the Chrome browser. They finally, I forgot they updated where you can, do it two ways, because at first you needed the Chrome browser, but so this is definitely easier. So I would just go one by one. All right, so once you import all the products from AliExpress to DSER, you're gonna wanna go one by one, press the pencil icon on the picture and edit each item. So I usually change the actual cover photo. Change image is what I click, and I'll just use it like a regular stock photo with a white background. I don't know, usually it looks professional, so all on the websites is just white background photos. And then I'll add the collection name, add some tags if you want. I'll change the title, the description, one by one. That's what you're going to see me do here. I'm going to be changing the price all at once. And that's what you're going to see me going to do in the next minute, because you don't want to just sync these straight from AliExpress straight to Shopify. Like people are going to know. Like, and the thing is, some people, they don't even know about AliExpress, y'all. Like, I promise you, I sometimes be asking my friends or my neighbors, have you heard about this app? Do y'all know anything about AliExpress, Alibaba? People be like, nuh-uh. So that's what I'm saying. Like, you can really drop ship these clothes, make a profit. Like, some people, they just don't know about it. So here, you're going to see me change the items. Be sure you always check the shipping cost. It should not be no more than $1. And then I'm going to change the price. You can change all at once. I usually double, triple the price so my clients can make a profit when they do make a sale. And then also, you want to change compare at price. Be sure that says $0, because if you see where it says compare at price, it says $13. And that's usually when, like, if you want to make a sale, if you want to make the items go on sale. So you don't want the item to be on sale for $13. So just put 0, because you're not trying to have a sale right now. Like I said, go by one, change all the info. And then, yeah, that's what you guys are going to see me here do, and import the product to Shopify.
Just kill my ex, not the best idea. Kill this girlfriend, it's not acting. Just kill my ex. I still love you. Rather be more than alone.
Girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. This job you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got to call your phone.
Okay, and right here, we're going to click customize back on Shopify dashboard because I want to see, you know, what the photos look like now that they're imported. And usually want to go back to each product just to see how it looks, you know, because sometimes the vendor's name is on the photo and you can't really edit that in DSCR. So I edit each picture again in Shopify. So let me show y'all an example. Like I click this photo, right? This product, this item. I scroll down, has the vendor's name at the top. But don't worry about it. Don't stress, boo. I got you. I'm going to show y'all how to remove the vendor's name. So that's what you're going to see me do here. You want to do this with each item every time. And then sometimes the pictures are in the description as well. So when it comes to the vendor name and it's not a white background, I'll just, you know, crop the name out. Which I'm going to show you here. I click freeform, and then when it comes to the stock photo, girl, all we do is just grab the eraser, sis. It's really, really, really easy.
This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through new whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me scream, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn to tell you, I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me. Because someone besides myself. I need someone I leave through the front door. Because we wanna hide no more. Rush that side no more. Neither of us wanna put aside no more. No, not alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. And no one is around you. Say baby I love you, but you ain't my big girl. Say my name. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. Baby, you got a lot of something to say. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name.
Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friends.
Too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gone electric. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turtle little thotty, ain't no wife.
All right, y'all. So this is pretty much the end of the video. Be sure you go to each photo, you know, description, product description to make sure the photos are all right. Link in the description for all pre-made boutique stores, vendor lists, and freebies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And I'm going to keep going one by one, fixing these photos. Bye, guys.